Hi guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks and Tweaks, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to buy LTRBT token from your Trust wallet on Pancakeswap. So all you need to do is to smash the subscribe button, turn on bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting videos like this, you'll be among the first to see it. And make sure you follow my steps carefully. If you don't know how to fund money from your Binance wallet or from your crypto wallet to your Trust wallet, I've done a video on that because it is very important. If you don't know how to do that, you will not be able to do this successfully. So all you need to do is you need to go to your Google Chrome browser, right? Go to your Chrome browser. Where's my Chrome? Okay, you're going to search from BSC scanner, or you can go from Google search for Little Rabbit. This is it, Little Rabbit contract address or Little Rabbit token, any of the two. You click on it, then different things will come out. Look at BSC scanner, is CoinGecko is up here. You click on the BSC scanner. If you click on BSC scanner, what you are going to do is to copy the contract address, allow it to load. So here they're telling you about Little Rabbit contract address. This is it. Under profile summary, this place that I'm touching. So you're going to come to this place and copy. You click here, copy. You see, you copy. When you copy this, you come to your Trust wallet. So I'll be going step by step, and I'll buy so that you guys can see how the process is done, right? Okay, from your Trust wallet, these are some of the tokens I have. Trust wallet, you go to, now you're supposed to add. If you have not added before, I'll just teach you how to add. I already have the Little Rabbit here. Now notice it's 0. When I finish buying, it's going to increase, but this is how to add Little Rabbit. You come to the top right corner, this place I'm circling. When you click on it, you click on it, it's right search token. You're not searching, you go to the extreme end, you see a place where they will say add custom token. When you click on add custom token, you change this Ethereum to Smart Chain, and then you paste the address. When you paste the address, it will bring a Little Rabbit and other information, and you click on done. When you click on it, this is what will happen. Your Little Rabbit will save and it will be listed. So you see your Little Rabbit here. See your Little Rabbit here. Now the next thing you do is you come to this down part. You see wallet, the apps, decks, and settings. You click on the apps, right? When you click on the apps, you come to, right? You open your Pancakeswap. This is where you're going to buy. You are swapping your Binance Smart Chain for some Little Rabbit tokens, right? So this is where the magic happens. Now my Pancakeswap is opened. First thing is that you look at the top of your Pancakeswap. Make sure this place is showing Smart Chain. This top I'm circling. If it's not showing it, click on it. If it's on Ethereum, change it to this icon, this Smart Chain. But because it is there, we'll leave it that way. Then secondly, this place that is showing code. Let this be showing code. This code shows that your Pancakeswap is connected to your Trust wallet. If it's not showing, click on it. You're going to see MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet, and different wallets. If you're using your Trust wallet, you click on Trust wallet. The both of them will connect. Once it connects, your balance on your Binance Smart Chain will show here. It will show here. That is what you'll be using to buy the Little Rabbit. So the next thing we will do is we are going to paste. Now, from here, there's a Little Rabbit address we copied here. You're going to paste it here. So you come to select a currency. You paste the Little Rabbit address here. Paste it. This is it. So Little Rabbit will show. You click on add. Now you have added Little Rabbit. You click on it again. Now it has shown. Then you now click on the amount you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 0.00 900, or let's say, let me just buy 0.00 1 of Little Rabbit 000. That's it. That's like 367 billion worth of Little Rabbit, right? Then this place slippage tolerance, you can change it to 11. If it doesn't work in 11, you move it to 12. Most times it's always 11. If it doesn't buy at 11, then you buy at 12. So you click on swap. Now they'll tell you the amount you are swapping. You are swapping 0.001 BNB, which is like 396 billion worth of LTRBT. This is it. So they'll tell you the amount they will deduct and what you are going to get. Most likely this is what I will get. This one here, I've accepted. This output is what I will get. So I confirm swap. Now if you see an error like this, it's not a problem. All you need to do is to go and increase the sleeping tolerance. You come to this place, these settings, you click on it. I change it from 11, so we'll move it to 12. Good. Then just click outside, you go back and you click on the swap. With this, click on accept again and you click on confirm. Now it's successful. So you click on approve. This is the amount I'll be debited, 485 naira. So I click on accept. Now you close this, you come to your wallet, you refresh. Mind you, see my little rabbit is 0. If I refresh my little rabbit, look at it, it is now how many? 2, 3. How is it? This is in trillions. So I have my little rabbit, I have my nebula, I have my wolf, and that is how you buy little rabbit token. Good. That is